These 9 Solfeggio tuning forks have the power to heal and repair your body. These Solfeggio frequencies were lost to us at one time. These frequencies actually help to align all the chakras. However, many people like to assign them to one chakra each. This one is 147 hertz. This is the Merkaba meditation, soul purpose. This one is for security and love. It is a natural anesthetic, and it helps your organs to function optimally. Next up, the root chakra. This is 285 hertz. This is restoration and tissue repair. Helps to repair damaged organs. This is 396 hertz, sacral chakra, liberating fear and guilt. It will go into your bones and marrow. This is 417 hertz, related to the solar plexus chakra. And this is undoing situations and facilitating change. Helps to clear traumatic experiences connected to stomach and digestion. This is a favorite one, heart chakra, 528, also known as DNA repair. This is 639 hertz, connected to the throat chakra. It is all about encouraging your cells to communicate with their environment. This is for the third eye chakra. It is 741 hertz, and it removes toxins from the cells. This is 852 hertz, the crown chakra. This repairs damage to the mind and the memory, brings things back into spiritual order. Then this is 963, pituitary chakra, communication with the divine. It also returns your cells and body into a perfect state of oneness, transforms the cells into higher enlightenment. How do you feel?